Okay, we're good to go. Right, Dre, thanks for joining me. My name is John. I'm the head of trading here at AudaCity Capital. Introduce yourself, please.
My name is Rashadre Davis. I'm a Forex trader. I've been trading for about going on 3 years now.
Perfect. Okay, so nice to meet you at last. And first of all, just to say congratulations on hitting your 10%, which you recently
Thank
did
you.
just a few days back. So you've been
Mhm.
paid, you've had your account doubled. So the business is out of the way. So the reason for this, obviously, live interview is just for us to get to know each other and also for you to share your experience trading
Mhm.
with us here at AudaCity Capital, obviously remotely, and talk about, how you're finding it, how you felt about the parameters, how you felt about basically the time frame it took you to hit your 10%, and now what it
Mhm.
feels like going on 30,000. So the first thing I'd like to ask you is, Dre, I mean, how did you come to hear about AudaCity Capital and our founder trader program?
I heard about City Capital when I was doing my research back in December, I believe.
Sure.
That's when I first reached out to you guys. I believe I had a phone call with you, and I've been looking at you guys for a while. I believe you guys had a 10,000 account then.
That was back in all the FTP, yeah.
Yeah, this was in January, and I've been just I've been watching for a while, and I joined this month at the beginning of June.
Yes,
I hit my target in less than 20 days. Um, the time there was really no rush on the time. Like there's no pressure. It was really suitable to my style. I'm a swing trader. As you can see when you go through my account history, I was holding trades for a day
that's
or
what,
longer.
yeah.
Yeah.
There's only a
So
few big wins that took you
yeah.
there. I saw
Mhm.
that. Very selective with your
Yeah.
trading. Okay,
Mhm.
well, Jay, what I'd like to find out for yourselves, obviously, a lot of traders who actually are on the program or who are applying to go onto the Founder Trader program, they come across our trading parameters and our risk parameters. And some
Uh-huh.
of them feel like it's a setback, like a sort of restricting them, preventing them from reaching their full potential and to be able to hit the 10% and basically move to the next stage. So personally, I would like to find out from you, I mean, when you came across our parameters, considering your trading style, which is swing trading, and I have a lot of people who tell me, oh, I'm a swing trader, I can't do this with with 0.5, can't hold trades over the weekend, all of that. And I'm
Mhm.
like, well, if you're a skilled trader, you can do it anyway,
Yeah.
just like yourself. So how did you feel when you saw the parameters? What was the impression you had personally?
When I seen the parameter, I was like perfect because the trading style that I approach is the 1% model. When you're only risking 1%, you'll be fine. It's so hard for you to get the 15% drawdown if you're only risking 1% or
Yeah,
less. So you'll be fine. And then if you choose your trades smart,
yeah,
don't try to get your target so quick. Just take your time, ease
yeah,
into it. Use your 1%, stick to the 1% model or less.
yeah.
You should be able to achieve your target, no problem. You don't have to over
Perfect.
risk, over leverage. Point 0.5 is perfect to start with. You'll work your way up just like that.
Perfect. So you have that open mind of starting with small, working your way up, taking it nice and
Mm-hmm.
easy, nice and slow, being conservative and selective of your trades, no rushing, not trying to get rich overnight, trying to jump the gun. So that's
Long
your
term.
mentality towards the markets, which is very good. That's likewise for me as well. Okay. And in regards, say, to the market, the instruments, so obviously we only trade FX primarily in the beginning.
Mm-hmm.
So when you saw that, I mean, did you feel that, oh, I wish I could trade gold, oil, or indices, or did you say, FX is all I need to be successful? I mean, what was your attitude towards that personally?
Not at all. I knew that Forex is already a lucrative business. So just by trading the major pairs or a couple pairs, you're already profitable if you just stick to those pairs. So trading gold or any other commodity is just a bonus. It's a plus. And then I was reading before I joined. I read that you guys like later on, if you ask for permission to trade those pairs, that you guys will allow it. So that
Of
even made
course.
it better. So I just have to get more comfortable with you guys until you guys
Yes.
allow me to let me trade those commodities and go on
Perfect.
from there.
Okay. I'm glad you're aware of that and you remember those words. That's very good. And
Mm-hmm.
in regards, say, to the you know, the 10%, obviously you did it in just less than a month. I mean, did you feel that was because mainly of the market conditions, like at this moment in time, how volatile the market is, or do you believe that was just primarily down to your swing trading strategy on how you approach the markets?
Oh no, it was just on how I approach the markets. I honestly believe you can hit your 10% target within a month if you just stick to your risk management and you choose your trades wisely. You should be fine. The risk parameters are there for you. It's all there. Just
So
have to.
you totally believe that 10% is very achievable, could be done in a month or less, and it's not an issue at all. It's not like something that might take you a very long time or whatever like that. You believe in that very, very strongly.
Yeah, definitely.
Perfect. Okay. And in regards to obviously your experience using our like platform, which is MT4 and the liquidity provider, did you feel that your trades were always filled in properly? Did you feel that your execution was, you know, with deep liquidity in the markets? Or did you like have any problems with your trading or the platform or server issues with
I
us?
had I have no problems at all. It's very quick. I like it. I really like it.
Okay, that's
Everything
perfect.
everything executes quick.
Okay. And obviously you told us that you were a swing trader, which is great, but could you just tell us like a little bit about how you managed to, I mean, what sort of got you to that position? So what sort of got you to become a swing trader? Why you chose that style? Is it because of your personality or is it because of your schedule work-wise? I mean, just
I
to
say
get an idea about your trading.
it was mainly because of my personality, because
Okay.
I'm just the type of person that I believe in being patient.
Patience is
So
virtue.
yeah. And then when I was back testing, I back tested a lot before I chose this strategy. And as you can see, swing trading is very lucrative if you just hold the position long enough or just choose your entry at the right time. But it's all there. Just have to back test and get more confident and just grasp your strategy, work on your craft. That's all it is.
Perfect. Okay. And in regards to obviously now you being on the $30,000, which you've been for the last couple of days. So how are you
Mm-hmm.
finding it so far? What's it like trading a 30 grand account?
It's pretty good. I just started up in the lot size. I'm at a dollar lot now. So yeah, it's pretty good.
And you reckon you could do your 10% in the next 20 days or a couple of weeks, or you think it might be?
Yeah, I'm looking at it. I got some trades lining up, some pairs shaping up, looking pretty
Okay,
good.
perfect. That's good to hear. And what would you personally recommend for people applying for the Funded Trader program or who are already on the program? What would your advice be or your recommendations be for them joining the program? Is it like the fact they should have the right mindset moving forward, like believing in themselves, believing in their approach, knowing that the parameters, the trading or risk parameters are not to restrict them. They
Mm-hmm.
can do it if they just follow the rules, like you said, they respect the risk management, they be very selective with their trading. So is that the sort of advice, or what would you say to people coming onto this program? What would you recommend to them or advise them in order to be right qualified for the program and to be successful just like yourself?
Mm-hmm. That's exactly what I would recommend. And also to have confidence in your strategy before coming along. Just really focus on your craft, get everything in order. As you can see, I took what 4 or 5 months to join. So I really took my time, graphed my strategy, worked on my craft. So and now I'm approaching $30,000 account, ready to move forward. Hopefully 120 by the end of the year. It's the goal.
Why not? Yeah.
Yeah, so I would say just stay focused, keep working on your craft, focus on yourself, focus on like 5 to 10 pairs, keep your thought process small so you're not trading everywhere, and then you'll be fine.
Perfect. So
Work
basically,
on
from
it.
what you're saying, just to sort of like wrap it up in in a sentence or two, basically take the time for the people coming. Just make sure it's the right program for you. Have
Mm-hmm.
no fear whatsoever, because I could tell just by looking at your face, there's no fear at all. You're very confident. You know exactly what you're doing. You've got your plan lined up, and you
Mm-hmm.
know exactly what you're going to do moving forward and how to work your 10% to hit that within a short space of time. So you'd recommend for the people coming board not to rush, not to jump the gun. Make sure it's the right program for them. Make sure that they have
Exactly.
the right strategy and the right approach within our parameters. And if they do have that and they are ready, then there should be no problem at all. Just get signed up, get joining, and start trading without any worries from being paid, having your account doubled, the platform not working or anything like that. Correct?
Exactly. Exactly. That's correct. everything. Once I had my 10%, I emailed you guys. Everything
Yep.
was updated less than 2 hours. So I was good to go after 2 hours.
Same day as we say, so even less than 2
Same
hours.
day.
That's even better.
That's even better. So
Okay.
everything was quick and easy.
Perfect. And is there anything you'd like to say to us as a company? I mean, anything like final words from yourself about, how we've treated you, how we've provided you, or any thoughts about how you feel about AudaCity Capital in general?
I like it so far. I hope to really get more comfortable with you guys. We
I
talk
hope you
more.
like us forever.
Definitely is getting there. I really like this company, and I'm hoping to grow with you guys.
Okay, perfect. Well, look, Dre, thank you very much for your time. It was really nice
You're
meeting you.
welcome.
I do look forward in doing the next live interview when you go from 30 to 60. For the time
Definitely.
being, stay safe, trade well, and good luck with your next 10%. Okay?
Thank you. You too.
Perfect.
Bye-bye.
You take care. Bye for now. Bye.
Bye-bye.